How to view liked YouTube shorts. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your liked YouTube shorts. To view that, you will need to first open your YouTube application or website on your device and ensure that you are signed in to your account. Once signed in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to find this playlist option and then inside it, look for the liked videos playlist. Once you find it, simply tap on it and inside it, here you'll be able to see your liked videos. This playlist contains all the videos that you have liked, including the shorts. You can now browse through this playlist to find the shorts that you have liked. You may also tap on the source tab next to the videos and then there you'll be able to see the source that you have liked. The shorts are marked with a vertical video format. YouTube automatically saves all the liked videos in this playlist, which makes it easier to revisit them. So this is how you can view liked YouTube shorts. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.